If you want to add or change keyboard language on the Motorola Edge 70, what you need to do is you need to go to settings. There we go. Now over here in settings, we're gonna scroll down a little bit in order to go to system. Next, we're gonna go to keyboard, on-screen keyboard, and then a Gboard, because this is the default keyboard that we use on this phone. Next, we can go to languages, and you can press add keyboard in order to, of course, get a new language and add it to the keyboard. So let's say I'm gonna choose something like maybe, I don't know, something, maybe let's try to use something popular, like for example Denmark. There we go. And in here you can also choose a different layout. You can toggle multilingual typing if you want to, and you can tap on done. Now over here we have all languages that we can use on our keyboard, but you can also tap on edit in the upper right corner, and you can check boxes right next to every language that you don't want to have on the keyboard anymore, and then you can remove it. You can also change the order of these languages if needed. But if you decide to stay with the 2 or more languages, then of course you can still change these languages. So let's just go to the Google app, for example. There we go. And once you open the keyboard, over here you should be able to find the current language that is being used. In this case, I actually have multilingual option enabled for English. But over here in the bottom right corner, as you can see, we have this globe that we can also use in order to switch between different languages. And besides that, in keyboard settings, we can jump to preferences in order to add the language switch key. And in this case, once we get the switch key, you should also be able to find this globe icon over here that you can also use in case it is just more convenient to do so. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.